Hallo, willkommen, welcome back to KinderGerman. Today we're going to talk about 5 ways of how to say happy birthday in German. So let's get into it. Number 1, the first way of how to wish someone a happy birthday is Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. And that just means it really comes from the heart. It's herzlich. Herz is the heart. And then the second way to wish someone a happy birthday is to say alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Or you can also say alles Liebe zum Geburtstag. Or you can combine them and say alles Liebe und Gute zum Geburtstag. That's right, and that's quite easy. You say alles Liebe und Gute zum Geburtstag. Alles Liebe und Gute zum Geburtstag, which means lots of love and all the best to your birthday. And the third way of how to say happy birthday in German is Ich gratuliere dir zum Geburtstag. Ich gratuliere dir zum Geburtstag. Ich gratuliere dir zum Geburtstag. And that means I congratulate you for your birthday. The fourth way of how to wish someone a happy birthday in German is Ich wünsche dir alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Ich wünsche dir alles Gute zum Geburtstag. Ich wünsche dir alles Gute zum Geburtstag. I wish you all the best for your birthday. And the fifth one is a little bit different. So those 4, we're all saying Geburtstag, which is the birthday. But there's also one other way you can congratulate someone or wish someone well on their birthday, and that is by saying Alles Liebe und Gute im neuen Lebensjahr. Alles Liebe und Gute im neuen Lebensjahr. And that means lots of love and all the best for your new year of life. So that has been our 5 ways of how to say happy birthday in German. Let's just go through all of them again. So you can say Herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Geburtstag. Or you can say Alles Liebe und Gute zum Geburtstag. Or you can say Ich gratuliere dir zum Geburtstag. Or the next one was Ich wünsche dir alles Liebe und Gute zum Geburtstag. And the last one was the one that was a bit different. It was Alles Liebe und Gute im neuen Lebensjahr. And that was the 5 ways of how to say happy birthday in German. Oh, before I stop, there's one very important thing. In Germany, it is not okay to wish someone a happy birthday before it is actually their birthday. So I live in New Zealand now, and here people quite often say, oh, I wish you a happy birthday for tomorrow. I had it a couple times that someone said, oh, I won't see you tomorrow, so happy birthday for tomorrow. Or that even like a week ahead that someone would say, oh, I'm on holiday next week, so I won't see you, so happy birthday for next week. And I'm just like, oh, stop, don't do that. In Germany, you do not do this. I don't know why, but Germans are a bit superstitious about that, and they don't like that at all. They think it's bad luck. And we don't want bad luck on our birthdays. We want to have all the good luck on our birthdays. So please don't ever say happy birthday before it is the person's birthday. Thank you. So yeah, I look forward to you wishing someone a happy birthday in German on their next birthday. And I will see you next time. Tschüss, bis zum nächsten Mal.